I'm Jessica Parsell, and today I want to show you a different way of thinking about addition and subtraction with positive and negative integers. Many students struggle with trying to remember all the rules of adding and subtracting and end up getting the rules confused. In this video, I will show you another way you can think about problems that don't require any rules to be memorized. First, I will show you a couple of examples using what I call plus-minus chips. Then, the video will stop in order for you to try a few on your own. So first I'm going to draw a plus and a minus T-chart. Everything that's positive will go on the left, and everything that's negative will go on the right. So let's start with an example. How about if you are asked to take -4 and subtract away 3 more? So the problem would say -4 take away 3. Well, let's go to our T-chart. My first number is -4. So I'm going to go to the negative side of my T-chart and put -4 red dots. Then I also see that I have -3. So I'm going to continue to stay in my negative column and put 3 more negative red dots. Some people like to write this as -4 plus -3 because adding a negative doesn't change the problem, and still you can see that you have -4 red dots and -3 red dots, and when you take a look at this total picture, you have -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So -7 is your answer. Notice nothing went in the positive column in this particular problem. Let's look at another one. So now we're going to take the same problem and do it on a number line, just in case you don't like the chip method. So here we go. Here's a basic number line. As we can see, we have 0 in the middle. We have positive integers to the right. We have negative integers to the left. We are going to take the same problem, -4 take away 3. So first, we're going to find -4 on the number line. So, because it's negative, it's to the left of 0, and we're going to take and mark that spot right at -4. Now we see we have -3. Well, -3 tells us it wants us to continue to go in a negative direction. So we're going to continue down the number line. I kind of call it bunny hopping. So if I start at -4 and I'm asked to take away 3, I'm going to simply jump 1, jump 2, jump 3. That is going to land me at -7, which is the answer to this problem. So some of you might like thinking about subtraction on a number line. So we've tried looking at -4 take away 3 with a number line and also with positive and negative chips. Let's try it one more way using a thermometer. So as we all know, thermometers are used to measure temperature. I'm going to show 0 on my thermometer, and anything above 0 is a positive integer, and anything below 0 is a negative integer. Let's try the same problem we've been looking at. -4 take away 3. So first, I'm going to go to my thermometer and I'm going to mark my spot right at -4, which should be 4 units down from the 0. Next, I realize that I have to go down another 3 degrees. So I'm going to jump down 1, 2, 3. Now that lands me on -7. So the answer to -4 take away 3 is -7. And we're back. I hope you had good luck on your practice problems. Now we're going to try a different type of problem. We're going to try -4 plus 7. So this time we are going to use an iceberg and a penguin to solve this problem. So thinking about an iceberg, you have the top that you can see. Those are the positive integers. Then you have below the sea level, which you cannot see, which will represent the negative integers. And sea level is 0. So let's try to solve -4 plus 7 using a penguin who can either go up or down the iceberg. We're going to start at -4. That's where the penguin's going to begin. And he's going to begin to climb +7. The reason that he's going up 7 instead of down 7 is because 7 is positive. So the penguin is going to climb up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When the penguin rises 7 steps, it's going to put you at +3, which is the answer to the problem. Let's try another problem, but this time let's use what I like to call cookies.
I like this kind of math.
So we are going to use another chi chart with a positive and a negative, and we're going to try to solve 4 minus 6. So the first thing we're going to do is we see a +4, so I'm going to put 4 cookies in the positive column. Now I see a -6. Well, I'm going to put 6 cookies in the negative column. Now I'm going to look for cookie pairs. Sometimes in class, I'll say to my students, eat your cookies. So we're going to see all of the cookie pairs that we have, and we're going to cross them off. So that's a cookie pair, that's another cookie pair, that's a cookie pair, and that's a cookie pair. We have eaten all of our cookie pairs. What are we left with? -2 cookies. That is the answer to 4 take away 6.